everyone, this is Miss Iman from the Knowledge Land. Welcome to my channel where creativity is explored through hands-on learning and fun teaching resources. So before I get started, I would like to share with you this big news. This is my best week ever because this is the first week I feel that many resources or my resources are distributed around the world and many kids are benefited from the resources that I'm creating. So I would like to thank my new subscribers as well as my old ones for their support and their trust. Thank you very much. So you guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 activities that I have created to review the beginning and the ending sound together before I introduce the middle sound to my daughter. So if you are interested in these activities, keep on watching. But before I share with you the activities, I would like to answer these 2 questions that I was asked last week. The first one is, my daughter is 2 years old and I would like to start with her the alphabet letters. Can I? So I will say yes if your child is capable of. However, there are many other skills that the child needs to learn at this age, such as social emotional skills, physical skills, developing love of reading, enjoying reading, enjoying crafts and art activities. So don't waste your child's time on learning something that he would learn later on. The second question is, don't you feel that the snapping in your snap, clap, punch technique is hard for kids? I would say you can replace it with whatever your child is capable of. Like you can say hug, clap, punch, or a stomp, clap, punch, or tap, clap, punch. Whatever the child can do. The purpose of this technique is only to emphasize the sound at the beginning, in the middle, and the end of the CVC words. So that's it, you guys. If you have any questions that you would like to ask me, or if you have any concerns, leave it in the comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, are you ready to learn the new activities that I have made? So keep on watching. Here's the first activity that I created to review the beginning and the ending sound. You guys, if you watched my videos before, you would see how much I love the clip cards activities. However, in this activity, I left the paper the way it is. I didn't cut out the cards because I like my daughter to get familiar with some words that have the short A sound in the middle, some words that have short E sound in the middle, some words that have short I, short O, and short U sound in the middle. So in this activity, I gave her 2 different colors of pom-poms and I asked her to color the beginning sound with yellow pom-pom and the ending sound with purple pom-pom. So she can do the snap, clap, punch technique, or by this time she was like ready to go and she can figure out the beginning sound and the ending sound all by herself. But this was like a revision and at the same time an introduction of the middle sound. So in here, you would ask your child to name the picture. So what's this? Rat, at, rat. So what's the beginning sound? It's so he will cover the beginning sound with 1 color of cubes, of Play-Doh, of pom-pom balls, whatever you want, or even the dry erase marker, it's fine. And then this is rat. So what's the ending sound? It's t. So your child needs to cover it with another or different color of thing. Then what's this? This is wag, wag. So what's the beginning sound? It's w. And what's the ending sound? It's g. Here it's sad, sad. So what's the beginning sound? It's s. What's the ending sound? It's d. So you got the idea, but this is a very good introduction for the middle sound because the child will see the sound in the middle of some words and he will get familiar with the middle sound as long and at the same time he's reviewing the beginning sound and the ending sound by this way. So this is the first strategy that I created, and the other one is this one. in here. So I would give my child the letters for the first one. So in this this activity is great not only for replacing the beginning sound and the ending sound, but for writing skills too. So you can put the letters on a tray, or magnetic letters, wooden letters, or stickers. I'm providing with this document some letters, so you can cut out and laminate those letters and give it to your child. And it goes like this. So what's this? This is cat, cat. So what's the beginning sound? It's k. What's the ending sound? It's t. What's this? Sad, sad, or mad, mad. The third one is can, can, an. So as you see here, the child is will be introduced to some words, some CVC words that have the short A sound in the middle, some CVC words that have the short E sound in the middle. And I think I covered most of the short A families here, E families, U, O, and I families. So here, this is bag, b, a, g, and the last one is tap, t, a, p. So as you see, this document is for the short A sound. I'm gonna remove the letters just to show you. This one is for the short E, short O sound, and this is short U sound. So also in this document, as I said before, in this document you will find some letters. If you don't have any wooden letters, or if you don't want to practice, or your child is not capable to write the letters properly, you can use those letters, laminate them, cut out the papers, laminate them, and let your child use this document. The last one that I would like to share with you today, which is the most one I like, is the traffic, what I call the traffic sign activity. So in this activity, you would see that the beginning sound, you have the traffic sign colors over here. So red for the beginning, yellow for the middle sound, and the last one, the green, is for the ending sound. And this one, you will find some words where the child needs to figure out what's the middle sound. So you can use it now when you are reviewing the beginning and the ending sound, or you can leave it while you are introducing, or once you finish introducing the middle sound. So as you see here, you will give your child 3 different colors, like one for green, red for the beginning sound, yellow for the middle sound, and green for the ending sound. So, and you will ask your child to name the picture. What's this? This is rat. So where do you hear t sound? Rat. This is at the end. So your child needs to figure out that he needs to take the green and cover the ending sound, because t is at the end. Then cap, k, a, p. Where do you hear the a sound? It's in the middle. So he needs to cover it with yellow. The third one is fan, for example, f, a, n. So what's the letter here? It's f. So, or what's the sound here? It's f. So where do you hear f? It's in the beginning. So your child needs to cover the beginning sound. As you see here in this document, you will have some words that have a in the middle, or a sound in the middle, e sound in the middle, o sound in the middle, a and it sound in the middle. So you guys, I hope you liked the video today. I will leave the links of all these activities in the description box. If you are interested in these hands-on activities, please grab them from the description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, because this is the first place where you will get hands-on learning and free teaching resources. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.